Good morning. In this lesson, let us discuss about the applications of the resistors and color coding of the resistors. So first, carbon composition resistors. These resistors are used in circuits such as low power amplifiers. Amplifier is a circuit which increases the signal strength, where the drift variation in resistance value with temperature, humidity, and applied voltage are not of particular importance. Okay, low power amplifiers use carbon composition resistors. Metal film resistors, these are used for bridge circuits, filter circuits, low noise analog signal circuits, measuring equipment, etc. Bridge circuit is, for example, you have a bridge amplifier, filter circuits, which filters unwanted frequency components and which allows desired frequency components. Okay. So metal film resistors are used in bridge circuits, filter circuits, low noise analog signal circuits, measuring equipment, etc. Metal oxide resistors. These are used in multimeters, potential divider bias, small signal amplifiers, test and measuring equipment. Precision resistors. These are used in measuring circuits, Wheatstone bridge type applications, and multimeters. Carbon film resistors are used in good high frequency performance and stability circuits such as computers, high fidelity amplifiers, that is, fidelity means faithful reproduction of the input signal. Amplifiers, meters, and telephone circuits. Okay, these are the applications of the resistors. You can note it down. Next. So color coding, 4-band color coding and 5-band color coding. Resistors are made in different sizes and shapes. Some resistors are large enough in size to have their values imprinted on the body. However, there are some resistors that are too small in size to have numbers printed on them. Therefore, color coding is used. Okay. Color coding is a process in which colors are used to indicate the numerical values. Color coding is the process in which the colors are used to indicate the numerical values. The use of bands or stripes is the most common system or color coding for the fixed resistors. Okay. 4-band color coding. So first let us consider carbon resistors. The color coding for carbon resistors with axial lead is shown in figure. Here you can see. Start with the band closest to one end of the resistor. The first color band, this is the first color band. is the first digit of the resistance value, and the second color band is the second digit of the resistance value. Third color band is the multiplier, and fourth one is to specify the tolerance. Okay, and is usually gold or silver. The resulting number is the resistance in ohms. Now, from the table 1, it can be noted that the dark colors indicate the lowest numbers and lighter colors indicate the highest numbers. Okay. So different colors and its values it gives: black, brown, red, yellow, green, blue is 6, violet is 7, gray is 8, white is 9. And similarly, this is percentage of tolerance for gold plus or minus 5%, for silver plus or minus 10%, no color means plus or minus 20%. These are the multipliers. Black is 1, brown 10, 10 to the power of 1, red 10 to the power of 2, orange 10 to the power of 3, yellow 10 power 4, green 10 power 5, blue 10 power 6, violet 10 power 7, gray 10 power 8, white 10 power 9, gold 0.1, silver 0.001. Now if you have a wire wound resistor, the color coding for wire wound resistors with axial leads is shown in figure. This is wire wound resistor. First band is double the width of the wire wound resistor. Double the width for the wire wound resistors compared to the rest of the bands. Okay, this is the first band whose width is more and compared with the other bands. Okay, so first color band, first significant digit, and second color band it indicates the second significant digit, and third one is the multiplier or number of zeros, and fourth one is percentage of tolerance. So it is same as that color coding is same as that for that of the carbon composition resistors. Okay, first you note on this. Next. Next, let us see the Now let us see the example. Find the resistance value in ohms and the percentage of tolerance for color code sequence red, yellow, orange, and blue. This is first significant digit. So for red it is 2, code is 2, and for yellow it is 4. So 24. For significant digit, second significant digit 24, and for orange 10Q. Multiplier is 10Q. So 24 into 1000, and gold plus or minus 5%. So plus or minus 5%. 24 kilo ohm plus or minus 5% the resistance value. This way, from the color coding, you can find out the resistance value. And next, 5-band code. Certain precision resistors with tolerance is 2%, 1% or lesser. Generally color coded with 5 bands. So begin with the band closest to one end. The first band is the first digit. Second band is the second digit. Third band is third digit. Fourth band is multiplier. And fifth band is the percentage of tolerance. Okay. The only thing is brown plus or minus 1%, red is plus or minus 2% tolerance. Remaining is same as the carbon resistance. Red, violet, black, gold, and red. So red for the significant digit is 2, violet 7, black is 0. So 270. For gold, multiplier is 0.1 into 0.1. plus or minus for red 2%. Yes, 2% tolerance. Okay. Next, body and dot system. So the system of color coding is used for radial leads resistor. These two colors are printed at the ends of and the center is printed with another color. Dot 3 is printed on the center color. In this first and second dot colors, first and second dot colors, first and second, represents the first and second significant digits respectively. The dot color 3 represents the dot color 3 represents the number of zeros where the tolerance is indicated by the fourth one. Tolerance, this is number of zeros, and first and second colors are significant digits. Note. Next, common faults in the resistors. Open resistor. When the resistor is open, the current in the series path is 0. Noisy controls. When carbon potentiometers are used as a volume or tune controls, not tone, the resistance element becomes worn out by vapor contact. Due to this, the resistance element worn out by vapor contact. Due to this, the control produces scratchy noise as the shaft is rotated. Change value of R. A resistor may change its value beyond its tolerance due to heating over a long period of time. Intermittent contact. In potentiometers, some dust particles or grease may be accumulated on carbon track. This may result in intermittent contact. Current contact noise. The noise is generated at a junction of lead wire and resistive elements due to the imperfect contact. Okay. So common faults are open resistor, noisy controls, change value of R, intermittent contact, current contact noise. Okay. Next. Wire one resistors classification. Power type wire one resistors, precision type wire one resistors. Again, power type resistors are low power type, medium power, high power. Low power is up to 10 watts. Medium power is 60 watts, up to 60 watts, 10 to 60 watts, 60 to 1000 watts, high power. Okay, wire one resistors are fixed resistors. Fixed resistors which are used for high power applications. Wire one resistor is made by winding a thin metal alloy wire. It is nichrome. By winding a thin metal alloy wire, nichrome wire, The wire material has a high resistivity and is usually made of an alloy such as nickel, chromium, or copper, nickel, manganese alloy called manganese. Okay. Common core materials include ceramic, plastic, and glass. Wire bond resistors are the oldest type of resistors that are still manufactured today. They can be produced very accurate and have excellent properties for low resistance values and high power ratings. Okay. These resistors have good stability and high power handling capacity with power ratings from 1 watt to 300 watts or more. They are much bigger in size and costlier compared to carbon and metal film resistors. So wire bond resistor is made by winding a thin metal alloy wire on a ceramic and a core material. Core material can be ceramic, plastic, or glass. Like this. This is core. This is wire, metal wire. And this is protective coating. These types of resistors are generally only available in very low ohmic high precision values due to the gauze of the wire and number of turns possible on the farmer, making them ideal for using in measuring circuits and wheatstone bridge type applications. They are also able to handle much higher electrical currents than other resistors of the same ohmic value with power rating in excess of 300 watts. These high power resistors are molded or pressed into an aluminum heatsink body with fins attached to increase their overall surface area to protect heat loss and cooling. To promote heat loss and cooling. Specifications are resistors range 0.1 to 1 mega ohm, tolerance is greater than 0.5%. Power rating is 1 watt to 1000 watts, working voltage about 300 volts, temperature up to 50 degrees centigrade. So this is about the wire bond resistors. So note down. Continue in the next lesson.